Hi, I'm Jeannie Meyer. I'm a clinical nurse specialist for palliative care. I'm at Santa Monica UCLA Medical Center in Los Angeles, California area, and we are a proud niche hospital. In the palliative care department, we work very closely with the geriatrics population. We see many elderly patients who have life-limiting illnesses. We help with pain and symptoms for them. We are very happy to be doing that. We assist with their goals of care discussions. One of the things that we are most proud of is the No One Dies Alone volunteer program that we have implemented at Santa Monica UCLA. We have volunteers who are on call so that if any of our patients are approaching death and have no one to be with them, they will have someone available to them. Some of our volunteers actually bring in music. We have one who's a harp therapist. She does wonderful work. We have some that bring in their dogs that are part of our People-Animal Connections program. And some of the dogs specifically work with our dying patients. We call them our palliative pups. And they do such wonderful, comforting work. People many times will respond to things like the animals and the music, even whenever they can no longer respond to anything else. I'm very privileged to be at the hospital I am at. I'm very privileged to be a part of a niche organization that recognizes the value and the contributions of our elderly patients. And I'm very lucky to be doing the work that I'm doing. So thank you for this opportunity to share.